Hi there, Wayne. I hope you're well. I've got the booking system set up on a staging environment. I'll send you the link to the staging environment. So it's not the live site, it's a copy of the weather site for testing purposes. So you can see, jumping into it, you can see that I've got some altered text here, which is tailored to your description that you gave me, and a booking now button. So you can direct your clients to the contact page and tell them that there's a booking button, and then they can book from here. So if I click on the book now button, it goes to the place where they can book your business and accounting services. And I've split this as best as I could based on what you mentioned to me with the 20% discount and compliance and specialist service. So we've got a 15-minute block, a 30-minute block, and an hour block. And people can book any one of these. They can also select more than one for extra time. So if they want an hour and a half, they can select these two, or an hour and 45 minutes would be the maximum for compliance. So let me know if that suits. We've also got specialist service, and I've got some text in there. All of this text you're welcome to change. And then down the bottom we've got annual package members. This one doesn't have any time attributed to it, so people can book you in without paying. So if I go to say compliance, I'll just do 15 minutes and come down to continue. We come to a page where currently I've got it set to be a day out. So at the moment the time is about 2:15. So tomorrow at 2:15 would be the earliest that people can book you. This can be completely configurable, and I've got it set up that you are available for bookings in between the hours of 10 and 4:45 weekdays, so 5 days a week. So obviously Monday's not there. If I go to the next week, you can see there's Monday there, Monday to Friday. They're the blocks that people can book you in. Once again, completely configurable however you would like to do it. You can even set up and manage custom availabilities within Google Calendar or any other calendar that you use. I've set up a Google Calendar for you, but at the moment I've just got it set to 5 days a week, 10 till 4:45 is when people can book in. And there is some flexibility. You, as you'll soon see, you can accept, reject, reschedule once people have made that booking. So if I click on the 15-minute one, you can see that it's going black, so it will lock into one. I'll just go back for a second and show you. Keep going back. So if I did an hour, or do an hour and 15 minutes, that's fine. And then continue. You can see that more blocks are now selected, so they will be booking in for that amount of time. So if I click this, you can see that we've got some payment details here where they can enter their card number, expiry, etc., validate and request the booking. So it's a payment gateway, and you can see that the price is defined, so $400 for, well, I selected a couple of different ones there, didn't I? Compliance and accounting and business services, accounting business services. So they would be selecting either just compliance or accounting and business services, I would foresee. So, or doing the free one. The free one would not have the payment details. It would simply be straight through to request booking. So let's do that. Let's go back to, not too far. We'll go to the annual package members, and let's say they wanted to do an hour meeting with you. And then we'll just pick that's not quite right. 1 second. I've got other ones ticked, haven't I? Untick these. Okay, annual package of an hour. And I'm selecting this one. So first name, last name, email, and there's no payment for the annual package member. Selecting I'm not a robot, so I need to select and pass this. I'm sure you've done one of these before. So I'm just looking for things with cars in it. Yes, that's it. And then request the booking. Okay, so we now have the booking confirmed, and you just heard there is an email that has come in. So this is me, the person who has booked it, and says my name. Thanks for booking. This booking has not yet been confirmed. You'll receive another email once this booking has been confirmed with meeting details. So this now would be emailed to you also. And here's the mailbox that I have set you up with. And if I click on it, you can see you have a new booking. So this will come into you via email, on your phone, on your desktop. And you have the option to accept or reject. There's different writing for each one, which I've pre-populated. You can cancel the booking, you can reschedule the booking, and that will essentially go through similar processes all over again, but with a different time. And you can nominate the time. So backwards and forwards until you and the client are happy with the time that works for both of you. So if I click on accept, okay, so you're about to accept the following booking. So this is triggering the following action, which is an email to the booker. And I've pre-populated this once again with copy, so it's got the name, your appointment. It's probably a little bit gobbledygook here, but in the email it will look fine. So close that and accept the booking. And then we should get another email in a second, which is that gobbledygook. There we go. That I just showed you. So, hi Stephen, your appointment for Wednesday is confirmed. If this event hasn't been added to your calendar automatically, you can add it using these links. So you can click on these, and that will add it to your, well, the person's calendar. So they've got it. During the booking system, it will automatically add it to your calendar. Your calendar is already integrated with the booking system. And then it's just a case of the time rolls around, everyone gets notified, hey, there's a meeting coming up. There is a link in the meeting to start the Zoom conference. And you can see here, if you don't already have Zoom installed, please install it before our call. So they've got a link to download and get that working preemptively before the meeting takes place. And once again, you can cancel, reschedule at any time if you need to. So that's kind of an overview. It's not a complete run through of the whole thing, and it's probably best to get you into the office, set it up on your phone, run through it in a little bit more detail. But yeah, just thought I'd create this screencast to show you that it's definitely on its way. And if you want to provide any feedback as to the packages and everything that I put in before and how they're structured, or any other feedback, happy to hear about it. Okay, thanks Wayne. Cheers.